Pull out the filter handle. Remove the filter and turn to O to switch off the power. Clean the surface of the filter with a dry rag. Disassemble the humidification module and reservoir. Clean the filtering cotton inside the reservoir. Clean the humidification filter and reservoir respectively, and put them in a ventilated place to dry for 2 to 3 hours after the cleaning is completed. Clean driving wheels and universal wheels. Clean anti-drop sensors. Clean charging contacts. Install the filter. Clean air outlet. Clean AV camera. Clean True Detect 3D sensor. Clean the bumper. Clean signal sensor and pole piece on the charging dock.